In this screencast, we'll show you how to use GitHub Copilot to speed up repetitive web scraping tasks in R. You'd use this if you were scraping product listings for competitive analysis, extracting public tables for internal dashboards, or cleaning bulk data from structured pages to prep for reporting. By the end of this video, you'll be able to generate and modify web scraping code using AI and accelerate your workflow while keeping your scrapers clean, structured, and ethical. We're going to be using a public Wikipedia page, list of countries and dependencies by table. It is a clean HTML table that we can safely scrape. Now, let's start using GitHub Copilot. Let's call in our Copilot and say, create a function to scrape country names and population in Wiki or from, let's be more specific, Wikipedia. As you can see, Copilot fills in the scraping logic using the HTML node to grab the wiki table and HTML table to convert it into a data frame. Let's accept this. Now, let's prompt this again and say, remove commas and convert population to metric. All right. Awesome. As you can see, we're creating code just by using GitHub Copilot. Now let's do one more thing and say use try catch and sys.sleep. Let's add some delay to make this ethical scraper and some error handling. Boom. Great. Copilot gives us a full structure for extraction, cleaning, timestamping, and error protection. All that's left is to run. So now let's do this and accept and do one more suggestion. Run this code. Excellent. Accept. All right. And as you can see, we have this as a result. We won't really use a CSV, so let's eliminate this. Let's run this and say, 1 second. Now, let's run our result and run the whole code. Let's run this. As you can see, we have scraped a lot of country and their population. Great. And that's how GitHub Copilot helps you write faster, cleaner scrapers by handling boilerplate logic so you can focus on structure, accuracy, and ethics. Use it as a starting point, adjust the details, and let it speed up your workflow. You'd use this approach if you're maintaining multiple scrapers, automating regular data pulls, or working with similarly structured sites that require consistent formatting. Make sure your scraping is ethical. Stick to public data, page your request, and respect the site's terms of use.